just trying to document as much of my life as possible. One of the reasons he put it in the book, I wrote it big. The learning curve is your documentation. The learning process is your documentation.
Yeah.
Like people are always thinking, how can I create content? How can I be this awesome dude where his life is like exciting enough to be documented? The learning process is what you document. And then you figure out how to turn that into something that adds value to people's lives. Every single person is the creative, and they are that clickbait. They are that viral post. It's just how you take that unbiased, objective reality and make it something that's absolutely valuable. Like you taking a story about that and then figuring out a title to give it that actually says, holy shit, there's a lot of value. Because everyone sees it and everyone's like, oh, that means nothing. But then you take the exact same thing and you add value to it. That's why I want to make the YouTube videos on book reviews. That's why I want to make freestyle episodes of me freestyling about the shit that's just going on in my life right now, running a company called Voice First. Because who else is doing that?
Well, it's almost like if you imagine what it would have been like to watch someone document creating something we all know. Like imagine if you could see the Nike founder going from being on the track team and talking about his life there to talking about Nike and all his early ideas, and then once it became big, all the initiatives that they have in other planets,
It means
hundreds
nothing
of years
now,
down the road,
but
right?
10
when
years
things
later,
are completely different than they are now, because it's like, well, if you start now, you'll be a lot better off when things are completely different in the future.
yeah, starting now is an investment in your future. The posts I'm making today are not for the audience today. They're for the audience 10 years from now who sees future Patrick and what I'm capable of and is then like, where did he come from? And they see that I've been hustling since day one. This is just like who we are.
Yeah.
It's expressing the kind of people we are. We're not creating any sort of fake reality. Every single day we're getting up, we're documenting the lives that we're living, we're putting it out there as raw and authentically as we possibly can. Very little preparation. We're not going out and doing research. We're not spending a bunch of money to try to bring a bunch of media on to highlight and make our photos look better. We're just doing it every single day, executing, getting feedback, and trying to be better about it.